Hey guys, OT Sports Cards, 1314 Artifacts Hockey Box Break number 105. See the last team, Winnipeg Jets, ended November 27th. So focus. There we go, November 27th. See serial number 2041-16-5. Number on the box. (2041-16-5). Okay, let's bust it. Good luck to everyone. Make sure you guys bid on our next break. It won't be Artifacts, it'll be the Cup. So make sure you check that out on our eBay page. All the teams are for sale. Maybe a nice Gretzky auto out of the first 10. We'll see. But Artifacts tonight. Okay, we got a dual jersey for the LA Kings. Justin Williams, Dustin Penner. Got Artifacts for the Flyers, Mark Streit. Rookie for the Flames, Max Reinhart out of 999. Looks like a rookie redemption for the New York Rangers. Rookie redemption for the Rangers. Team Canada, Stefan Del Rivera out of 999 for the Blues. Nice. Jason Spezza, dual jersey out of 125 for the Ottawa Senators. Nice two-color swatch on the jersey there. Got Jonathan Huberdeau, rookie out of 999 for the Panthers. Emerald rookie, Leo Komarov out of 99 for the Leafs. Goalies, Corey Schneider out of 999 for the Canucks. And the last pack. Do we have a patch? Yes, we have a patch. Looks like it's Emerald. Rookie, jersey, and patch out of 75. Zach Redmond for the Winnipeg Jets. Two-color patch. And that is it. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you bid on tomorrow's Cup break.